everybody. This is
What's your name?
Hannah.
And I'm Dad.
And I'm Dad.
You're not Dad.
And I'm Hannah.
All right. And what are we going to be making today, Hannah?
Cookies.
What kind of cookies?
Peanut butter cookies.
The easiest peanut butter cookies in the world. So I'm going to let Hannah pour 1 cup of sugar. Here, Hannah. Pour it.
It's gonna break.
It won't break here. Okay. 1 cup of sugar.
Can I add the peanut
Here you go.
butter?
2 hands. Pour that in there. Pour it. 1 egg.
Can I mix?
Yeah, I'll let you mix. And 1 cup of peanut butter.
I'm gonna add peanut butter.
And I use some of the fake sugar
Can I
since I
look
have
at?
diabetes. But what we're going to do is we're going to mix this up really good.
Can I look at?
You want to look at peanut butter?
Mhm.
Sure. Good stuff? All right. Now, we got a Hannah-sized spoon. And we're going to mix it up. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, let me help you a little bit. Watch out.
You've got to mix it properly. Good stuff. Can I mix now?
Mix.
It looks like mud.
It does look a little bit like mud. Hannah, will you tell everybody how old you are?
I'm 4 years old.
She's 4. You're never too old or young to learn new recipes and to learn how to cook. So these
Besides me, of course.
So these are almost at the consistency we want them at. We got our oven at 350.
We got our oven
But
at
we never use an
350.
oven without a grown-up, right?
No. No.
Do we use ovens without grown-ups?
No.
No. Why?
Because your hand's gonna get burned.
Yeah, your hand could get burned. Okay. So this consistency right here, I'll kind of put it up. It's a good cookie consistency. So now we're going to make some balls and we're going to put them on there like that.
Can I mix a ball?
We already got our parchment paper. Got it? There you go.
It looks like mud.
And Hannah, what'd you do right before we started cooking? What'd you make all clean? What'd you wash?
Hands.
To keep away the what?
The germs.
The germs. All right. So this is actually no sugar added peanut butter, fake sugar stuff. So it's not
And you're
too
allergic to sugar.
bad. I'm not allergic to sugar, but I can't have sugar, can I? Not
No.
much.
Can I do the next one?
You sure can. You like baking with Daddy?
Uh-huh, because he's my prince.
I'm your prince.
Yeah,
All right. And what are you?
princess.
You are the princess. All right, so that's all that you do, and then we'll stick them in the oven.
Can
We'll
I
see
do
how
the
it
last
goes.
one?
Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
And these are the end product. Pretty good quality.
Yeah.
Cookies are a little soft, but
And your daughter's going to
they're
decorate them
good.
with sprinkles.
and my daughter is going to decorate them with sprinkles.